Today we're going to replace the old twist grips on my 2002 Road King. This is pretty easy, straightforward. Okay, the first thing I like to do, spray a little oil. I did this the day before, but just for showing you. This is where your corrosion usually takes place. On most bikes, there'll be a cover over these. This never had that. With 3/8 open end, crack it. And what we want to do is put all the play back into the cable. You want to give yourself as much room as possible. There you go. Now these grips, they got all gummy. Every time you touch them, it's all over your hand. All right, with a 5/32 Allen head bit on my ratchet, I'm gonna remove these screws. You got the one on the top, this is the 5/32. Remove it. A torque bit, T25. What I like to do is I look everything over before I do the job. I have the twist grips that I ordered, I'll show you. All right, I'm gonna remove the clamps on the brake handle. Torque 27. I'm going to remove the bottom first so this thing can't get out of control. Now top one, and this front lever, this front brake lever will slide off. Take my clamp. Now let's see how this makes it easier. With that, let's try to remove this. Gives me a lot more space. Okay, we want to be careful. We have this off to the side. We got the front lever down. Now if we twist this, you're going to see be careful with this piece of brass. Sometimes they take off and you will be searching your garage floor for a long time. Be conscious of this brass. One. Now, this was easier. Get this aside. And there's that. Handle slides right off. I hope you caught that. You can see the way it's all gummy. It's just disgusting. A little dot of grease can't hurt. Okay, there's your little brass piece. Once you got a little of that cable out, you'll see this is the spring loaded. Now all in the same motion, slide it forward. That's the hardest one. And like I said, be careful. I like to put the line facing in. So when I push, it doesn't slide out. Now twist, slide, and you did it. That's installed. It's that easy. Now to reinstall your front brake lever. Slide it up. Get it hand started. I like to get everything just hand tight and make sure everything's good. This lever is indexed with your case. Make sure everything's working proper. Your seams are all. If you're forcing something, something is wrong. Stop. I can't say that enough. I'm gonna run the top one in there. Like I said, just hand tight for now. These seams got to be perfect. It is indexed to your front brake. All right, here's the bottom. Now we just got the adjustment. I just like to tighten it down, make sure everything's where it needs to be. Don't get crazy on any of this stuff. I always check it 24 hours later. Now for the adjustment. Now, if you can sit there and this goes, everything's beautiful. You can't beat that. All right, now for this adjustment here. I'd like to keep this line center with that. That's what I'm shooting for. Alright, that's that. That set it right there. Okay, there you go. That's beautiful. Be able to do that. So I'm going to pick this line with that. Okay. There you go. That much play. If you did it right, you'll notice if you turn this too much, it slows it down. Put play into it from this one here. That's what you want. And it's up to your comfort zone. As long as she swings back freely, you did it right. Now let's tighten these up and go to the other side. Now that wasn't hard. Anybody could do it. Just make sure you have the tools you need when you start. Lock them in place, 3/8. Lock them in place. Now check. Beautiful. Wipe them down. It'll be nice to get on this bike and don't get all this rubber on my hand. You can't go wrong. I bought these on eBay. If you guys want to know, just ask and I'll send you the link. $30. They're pretty decent. $30. I think it was $20 and $6 shipping. So let me know. I'll send you the link. Let's go to the other side and do this other twist grip. All right, now we're at the other side. Same thing. This is really easy. Let's just loosen it up and see what we got. Keep your hand on it. You don't want no surprises. What happens is this is indexed to that. So this mirror and clutch perch has to be removed to make this easier. Okay, so let that go. Take that hardware. side. Now it's easy. Now you push down. This is why I'm getting new ones. Your hands get so gummed up. Just turn back and forth, and you'll slide it off. They're beautiful grips. But like all grips, the acid and the oils in your hands deteriorate them, and it becomes ugly. My gloves are ugly. I'll put that aside. Let me clean up. Now, with this adjuster right here, you can move this to match where you want it. Now over here, you see she's right in the middle. With this adjustment, you can mirror this to your clutch hand side. As you notice, these twist grips are indexed, so they cannot rotate. Now this will stay in your bottom. This will lock it in tight so it cannot spin. You can't beat it. You just can't beat it. These are $19, $6 shipping. Now the Harley one, now this is a Screaming Eagle. This is Harley, this is top dollar piece. It's not indexed. You have to glue it. This is indexed. It cannot move. This is perfectly lined up. They're gorgeous. Like I said, I'll send you the link. You can't go wrong. I'm just gonna hand tighten until I'm satisfied with it. I want to try to get the seam on the top to be seated, so no water or anything could get in through there, and then do my final tightening on the bottom. What we want to do now is take notice where the line on this twist grip lines up with this seam. So what we will do is adjust the throttle side to the same. All you have to do is make this adjustment here with your 3/8 open end, this one. And then you can move this around here, up or down. And if you have any questions, just ask. And I tell you, you can't get a better value. $26 eBay, very rewarding. Like I said, if you want to know the link, just ask. And if you could, please subscribe, leave a comment, and thumbs up. Ride safe and have a great day. Thank you.